50,000 in debt, gone in just 2 years. Sounds impossible? Trust me, it's not. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, without sacrificing everything I love. Stay tuned, because if I can do it, you can too. My debt story. Let me take you back to 2 years ago. I was $50,000 in debt, credit cards, student loans, and a car loan. I felt stuck, stressed, and honestly, embarrassed. But I decided enough was enough. I committed to a plan, and step by step, I made it happen. This video isn't just about my journey. It's about giving you the tools to crush your debt, no matter how big the number feels right now. Step 1. Face the numbers. The first step was the hardest. I had to face the numbers. I wrote down every single debt, including the balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Here's why this is important. It gives you a clear starting point. It helps you prioritize which debts to tackle first. It's scary to see the total, but knowledge is power. Once I knew my numbers, I could create a plan. Step 2. Create a realistic budget. I quickly realized I needed a budget that actually worked for me. This wasn't about giving up everything fun. It was about focusing my money on what mattered most. Paying off debt. Budget strategy tips. Track your expenses. Find out where your money is really going. Cut back strategically. Cancel unused subscriptions. Eat out less. And shop smarter. Set a debt repayment goal. Decide how much extra you can pay each month. My goal was to live on 50% of my income and throw the rest at my debt. It was tough at first, but every dollar brought me closer to freedom. Step by the Snowball and Avalanche methods. Next, I chose my repayment strategy. There are 2 popular methods. The Snowball method. Pay off the smallest debts first for quick wins. The Avalanche method. Tackle the debts with the highest interest rates to save the most money. I personally use the Avalanche method because my credit card interest rates were killing me. Once I knocked out the high-interest debts, I could focus on the smaller ones. Step 5. Boost your income. Cutting back helped, but I needed to bring in more money to really make progress. Here's how I boosted my income. Side hustles. I freelanced and drove for rideshare services, selling stuff. I decluttered and sold everything from old clothes to furniture. Extra hours. I took on overtime and even negotiated a raise at work. Every extra dollar went straight to my debt. It wasn't always easy, but the results were worth it. Step 5. Stay motivated and consistent. The hardest part, staying consistent. Here's what kept me motivated. Track your progress. Watching my debt shrink each month was so satisfying. Celebrate milestones. Every time I paid off a debt, I celebrated with something small, like a dinner out. Remember your why. For me, it was about freedom, being able to save, travel, and stop stressing about money. Staying focused on my goals made the sacrifices feel worth it. If I can pay off $50,000 in 2 years, you can too. Start with small steps, stay consistent, and keep going. Thanks for watching. If this inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs help with their debt. Let's crush it together.